Hi, I'm Darko. I'm a traveler, a chef, restaurant owner. I love everything about food and drinks. I have a fan over there. Cooking is my passion, eating is my superpower. Ready to rumble? I was born and raised in Dubrovnik, within these ancient city walls. I know all the local flavors, all the hidden gems. Trust me, there is no better guide to lead you through Dubrovnik's best delicacies. This isn't going to be your typical foodie tour. How happy I am, I cannot control it. So brace yourself, things are to get deliciously out of hand. Welcome to Tasty Corners Dubrovnik! Food and drink are soul of Dubrovnik, and this place, with having the most stairs than any other place in Croatia, just invites you to eat something, to earn the next bite. But don't worry, the next bite is just behind the corner. We are in the only street food oyster bar in Dubrovnik. Take the coat off and get into it.
Hi, hello, welcome.
Hi, Dylan, how are you? So what do we got here?
So we got some fresh oysters that are coming directly from our farm. My partner and me opened this oyster bar because there is no oyster bar in Dubrovnik.
What does make these oysters the best in the world?
You can eat them directly from the sea. Other oysters in the world need to be filtered for a couple of days in the clear water tanks. The easiest way to explain the taste of these oysters is sip of the sea. You want to try some oysters then?
I would love to.
Okay, then check it for you.
So he's preparing for the surgery. He's gonna operate. Oh, I'm so excited for some oysters.
You see how they release the sea.
Mother sucker!
Here are the fresh oysters. So, recommend just few drops of lemon and maybe some sparkling wine.
I'm gonna jump. How happy I am, I cannot control it. This is the best food in the world, especially when you have a little bit of a sparkling wine with it. The only proper way to eat the oyster is slurping it like this. Heaven, it brings tears to my eyes. So happy. What a perfect way to start a busy day. Oysters are my favorite. We have a busy day ahead of us. Let's go. Yeah. Make sure not to leave Dubrovnik without trying one of these tasty bites. This is amazing. All right. I feel like a little kid in the playground. Extra virgin olive oil from Brač Island, one of the best ones in the world. All right. The best thing about stores like this, it's a bitter orange, but it's dipped in sugar. So it's a kind of a bittersweet taste that I adore. This is brustulani miendo. Try to repeat that. Brustulani miendo. These are almonds, also they are cooked with sugar. So you get a nice crunch and you have the almond heart inside. This is as local as it gets. Let's eat, I'm hungry now, let's go. So you can get anything in Dubrovnik. You can get from the fresh oysters to the Asian spice to the traditional peka, pizza, to the Italians come here to eat pizza. It's the best quality food. It's because of the ingredients. It's because we have one of the cleanest seas in the world, the Adriatic Sea. And just behind us there's a Surge Mountain, and then behind we have amazing farms, olives, oranges, apples, whatever crosses your mind. You name it, we have it.
And what do you eat at home? What do you tend to cook for yourself?
Bologna sandwiches. It's raining outside. It's time for some home cooking. Marija!
Oh, hi Darko, how are you?
This is the queen of peka. Today, you're gonna show me some of your tricks, some of your tips.
Today we will make peka, which is the most famous dish. Like a slow cooking, vegetables, meat, baked outside on open fire.
I mean, this looks so delicious that I need to put my hands on. Is it okay to help you a little bit? What do you need me to do?
We have here veal,
Oh my god, oh, this is fresh.
Yes.
I'm doing it right.
That's the shoulder, just put it there. Thank you. Now we will also put some sea salt.
These are big chunks of salt, right?
We will put some rosemary there, please.
Freshly
Some
picked.
bay leaf. We just grow them everywhere around. You can just pick up them in the parks. And,
Yeah, at the bus station, for example.
Then we will put some carrots also in.
So potatoes go lost
Yes.
to cover the meat, right?
Yes.
Cover the whole thing.
We will
So
cover.
it's gonna keep the juices in it, and then the potatoes are going to get all the flavors from the meat.
Yes.
And the herbs.
Oil
Okay, to get the crispiness, right?
and some pork fat on the top. And now we put that under the iron bell with lots of fire.
Oh my god, it's so hot, huh?
Now I put under the bed these rings for fire.
So it's gonna keep the burning
Yes,
coil,
yes.
right? It's a lot of physical work. This is a true artist over here. So Zlatko, how do you know if it's done? You cannot see it.
Only experience. My first 10 peka is not good.
Yeah.
100 times prepare peka, it's not problem. Okay, I am open peka. Peka is finished.
Wow.
I wish you could smell this.
Let's try what we prepared here. Yes, I hope it will be tasty.
It's not polite to talk with a mouth full of food and I cannot stop eating, so that tells you everything. I mean, it's really amazing. A truly traditional Croatian dining experience. This is the right place to be. You sit here and you feel like you join Marija's and Zlatko's family. Like you immediately belong here. It's a truly unique experience. Crew, would you like to join us? Yeah! Sit, come on, yeah! Woo! That's it. Now that Marija and Zlatko fed us and made our bellies happy, we are going to try something special, maybe even more popular than food. Cheers, guys. Cheers. Having peka was such an amazing experience, like joining the table, becoming a part of the family. What a treat. So behind these green doors, is something truly magical.
Welcome, welcome.
Wow, Anna, this is truly amazing. I love this. I love the greenery, right? You're gonna drink some green wine.
Unfortunately, no, but the vineyards are green at the moment.
So what are we doing now?
We're gonna try some wine. We are tasting 3 different wines, white, a rosé, and a red.
So how many wines do you have on the list?
90 plus.
Ooh, 90 plus wines that you can try at this place here. This is
Yeah,
nowhere
I
else.
think, I don't know if you
I
can
don't
try
know,
it in
yeah.
one day, but you know, you should come back at least once more.
Is that a challenge?
Well, we'll see.
Is that a challenge?
The whole Croatia grows around 120 indigenous grape varieties that you cannot try anywhere else. Everything is done by hand, everything is done by the families still. We have a very good hot Mediterranean climate, plus the soil that it's filled with sand, limestone, different rocks that adds to the minerality. So we're gonna start with the white. It's an indigenous grape variety Poship from island of Korčula, and it's from a young winemaker but very old vineyards, and it's made only in 600 bottles. It feels like when you bite into a Granny Smith apple.
Very fresh, citrusy in,
And
in a
citrus
way.
as well, yeah.
Very mineral. It's like biting the island. Yeah.
Yeah, exactly. Okay, so the next 2 are both from the same grape, Plavac Mali, but this is a rosé made from Plavac Mali. This is from old vineyards, from dolomitic limestone, so quite mineral.
It's like it's almost unexpected. It's very mineral and extremely light for Plavac Mali grape, because this is like a small grape, very like with thick skin, and you get heavy, super red wines out of it, and then to make something this elegant, it's amazing.
Okay, so for Plavac Mali, Peninsula Pelješac is the most important area, but the youngest wine growing region in Croatia is called Komarna, just next to Peninsula Pelješac, and the last wine comes from there. All organic vineyards because they were all planted after the war. A lot of alcohol, a lot of tannin, but very well put together.
Right at the nose, you can feel a punch. It's a very strong wine.
The wine that you can chew.
After you get the first hint of the tannins, it all of a sudden just opens up and you feel these raisins, you feel the wild fruits. Punch in the face. This is really amazing place. This is one in a kind. If you're visiting Dubrovnik, you need to put a little bit of effort and just go look at the green doors and just knock and see if Anna answers you're at the right place.
Thank you for coming.
I'll be back again soon.
Please.
Sooner than you think. Oh, don't forget, it's the green door. So what's Dubrovnik without hitting the water and seeing it from another perspective? Let's jump on the speedboat and see what we can see. Guys, look at this. And look at these walls. I mean, every time I get on the water, I feel hunger, I feel thirsty, for life and for food and drink.
I have something prepared here, and we can try something.
Yeah?
It's
Let's do it.
liquor.
Let's
It's
do it.
something
Let's do
really
it.
special. Okay, so this is liquor from bitter orange. Captain's grandma, she is making it, so it's domestic.
Now we're talking. So guys, this is as local as it gets. The bitter orange liqueur made by Captain's grandma. Živjeli.
Really.
Cheers. Oh my God. The recipe actually goes like this. You put bitter oranges, you put sugar, and then you put grappa in it. And then you keep it 40 days in the sun. And basically you come with this. So it's not bitter at all. This is the reason you need to come to Dubrovnik and go on a boat tour. This one here. Bitter orange liqueur.
This is one small present from Captain's grandma to you for crew.
Thank you so much. Thanks, Captain Grandma.
Like it looks like rocket filled with rocket fuel, but it's not. Sun's going down. I'm getting pretty hungry, so I'm taking you somewhere special. So many food options in Dubrovnik. Make sure not to stay on the main street. Go in the side streets, explore, lose yourself to find yourself. That looks yummy. This is one of my favorite restaurants, and I'll show you why. Perfect! Look who's here. This is the owner. This is one of my favorite restaurants. I love it because it's traditional ingredients, the best ingredients.
Darko, I think we are living in heaven, definitely.
I agree.
We have everything.
There's no place like this. Guys, there's no place like this. So what are we having?
For you, the seabass, which is caught this morning from our fisherman Vlaho. We are doing like in the salt crust. I'm marinating the salt, then I'm putting it to the oven. And I'm talking, let's eat.
Wow. So he's doing now, he's cutting the salt crust and getting all the good seabass underneath. All right, so we got the crust out. Now we're getting to the good part.
The good part.
The good part, the best
The best
part.
part. You see the color?
Wow.
It's like snow, so you can feel the freshness.
Wow. I just start laughing immediately. It makes me happy. It makes me warm and happy and speechless, basically. The taste is undescribable. You need to come here and try this. The salt crust preserves all the flavors of the fish inside. Put a bit of lemon inside, so you get all this acidity from the citrus just circulating inside the salt crust. It's one in a kind dish. It's perfect. You should stop filming and get into it because I'm gonna eat it for you. My God, it doesn't get better than this. I hope you enjoyed this journey. Make sure to follow and to subscribe to more corners, and hopefully see you again in Dubrovnik soon.